Good morning, friends. I hope you are doing good. Let me share about my view why voting is so important for each of us. Recently, or in fact yesterday, most of the state has completed the third phase of voting, and I also had the opportunity to cast my vote. This is the evidence here. However, many people are not aware in depth why voting is so important for each of us. Kelly Jeter, a renowned media personality and entrepreneur from US once said, if you want to make a difference in the society, you must have to cast your vote. That is true. For any democratic setup to work smoothly, every citizen of the country should consider voting as their civic right. However, still many countries the 100% votings are not happening. And if we don't cast the vote, we we primarily lose the right to complain. That is the number one reasons. If we don't cast the vote, and if they have the similar thoughts goes by other people, it is most likely that a uneligible candidate also elected in a democratic setup, and you must be ready to rule by those ineligible candidate in your country or in your society. So we must understand that the in a democratic setup, a local representative will have the power of governance, will have the power of policy makings, will have the power of executions of those policies. So very important that we must elect a right candidate to govern our society. So if you don't cast your vote, you lose the right to complain about the misdeeds that happen in your society. Number one. Number two, voting right gives the inclusion in the society. If you consider 100 years back or 200 years back, it, there are a lot of people in the society, especially the women sections, were not had the right to cast their vote. There was a considerable amendment happened, and which given us the provision and right to cast the vote across all section of the society, across all caste and creed, across all religious people, without any discriminations. So voting rights gives people a inclusive mindset, give an opportunity to to include in the policy making process, to include his or her view in the governing process. So it is a sense of belongingness in the society or sense of inclusiveness that foster during this voting mechanism. So voting gives the opportunity to include ourselves in overall governings of our society and of our country. So it is very important that we cast our vote in order to represent the right candidate and also to involve our ideas and thoughts in the governing process. Number two. Number third, voting gives the opportunity to reduce the corruptions. If we don't elect the right candidate, it is likely that a corrupted candidate will come to our society or in the government, and therefore there will be a lot of discriminations or lot of mismanagement about the fund that will be used, that's supposed to be used for the development of our society. So it is important that we elect the right candidate and reduce the corruptions, which is very important for any progressive society. If you want a sustainable development, if you want a inclusive development, there should not be any corruptions in the government or in the society. So voting rights gives the people to elect the right candidate and reduce the corruptions. So these are the three key areas. One, it gives the sense of inclusiveness and belongingness for each three people in the society to participate in this democratic setup and make our society self-reliant. Number one. Number two, voting rights gives the opportunity to uh, to 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 send our complaints, to convey our message to the right people and make changes in the society. Third, it helps to reduce the corruptions. I hope I am able to explain why voting is so important for each of us, and we should continue vote whenever the time comes and should represent the right candidate. With this note, this is Nirpa Chhetri signing out for today. We'll connect again in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.